from Samoa. Congratulations.
You are much more knowledgeable when you first arrived 2 weeks ago, and you have created a wealth of knowledge that now you can network amongst your colleagues and help you out in your own countries to implement quality management system. We also take this opportunity to thank JICA for funding this training program and providing this initial assistance. And Fiji will remain on the forefront to see that these training programs are well utilized, and wherever needed will provide such a support through the support of JICA. We wish you all the best. Please do take your home countries forward, especially in implementing your quality management system, to see that your countries are compliant with the requirements of International Civil Aviation Organization. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.